So we got Kathy right over there working on a installation video for the steering wheel for this Model 3 right over here. So make sure to go over our YouTube channel and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And yeah, so we have the little toys right over here, the lineup, and all they have been wrapped with a vicrez vinyl. We have over here the candy purple. Why do we call it candy purple? Because it looks just like candy paint, especially and right in the sunlight. Right over here, it's a brand new color to this one. It's a pink with this like glitter, like yellow glitter embedded. So it looks really nice in the sunlight. And right over there, of course, we have the 24K gold glitter. And as you already know, it looks insane in the sunlight. The Charlie as well. And right over here, the candy purple. Candy purple. Why? Because it looks like candy paint. Just looks really nice in the sunlight. So make sure to stay tuned to go over our YouTube channel and subscribe. We're going to be releasing quite a few new parts also for trucks. Right over here we have a GMC, the Ram. Also been installation coming soon for steering wheels for this bad boy as well. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe.